Hi there, this is Muhammad Abbas from Computer Tech Skill. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about Scale tool, Share tool, and Reshape tool. So without any further ado, let's get started. So we've got these three tools, my friend. The first thing that I'm going to do is that make sure to draw a rectangular tool there. Fill color inside that of the shape. So we've got the scale tool there. If I move that there, so now see I'm having control on what I have on interface as shape. So it means that you can make that bigger, you can make that lengthy, or you can increase or decrease the height or the width of that, the width or the height of that. See, have a look at this, my friend. So you can work on this, which I'll be designing something there, which I'll make you understand furthermore about how to design sort of beautiful atmospheric picture there. Let me take the copy of that. Make sure to right click there, transform, reflect. Okay, so we have got two of the wind turbine. Make sure to copy that. Make sure to group that out by holding the control or the command button and press G button so that you can group that out. So we've got group there. This time what I have to do, let me change the color of the background, like changing that to sort of maybe like this, or you can apply any color you want. Right click, arrange, make sure to send it to back. So now we are good to go. Make sure to lock that by going to object, go for lock and selection. Make sure to select on turbines. Make sure to click on scale tool. So we've got the pivot point there. If I click there and hold the Alt button there and Shift button there and take the copy of that. See, now this time what you have to do is to hold the control of the command button and press D button so that you'll be copying that in the same direction. See, now we're having that in the same direction. Make sure to go one step back. Make sure to click there at the bottom, and this time hold the Alt button and the Shift button. See, I've got the copies. Make sure to hold the control or the command button and press D. See, now we're having the copies something like that in that of the direction because we have put the pivot point somewhere there. Make sure to go one step back or maybe some steps back. Make sure to select these two, go for scale tool, make sure to click there, and this time take the copy of that. And this time take the copy of that, Control D. See, now we're having the wind turbines something like that in that of the direction. So have a look at the design that I'm going to do, my friend. We'll try to firstly do this option like scale tool. We'll try to design something there so that I can make you understand and use all of the turbines that I have in proper way, or maybe making sort of design that will be seeming like atmospheric picture. So let's have a look at this. Make sure to delete all of these. Unlock the background there. So what I have to do, my friend, go for open. So I've got something there which I have already made that in Photoshop, like I have created grass, or I have painted through paint tool by making grass. So I've got that there, my friend. So what I have to do, I have to be making that smaller so that I can put it there. Move that at the bottom. try to adjust that. So what I have done is that, my friend, I have got this grass there. This time what I have to be doing, make sure to lock that so that I cannot be disturbed. Well, this time make sure to go for rectangular. Make sure to draw sort of rectangular shape there and try to apply sort of a sky color there, like sky blue there. So any color you are comfortable, any color you think that it is going to be the best color for sky. Like for example, I'm comfortable with that of the color. Let me just apply sort of, let me just change that. Well, this time I think I'm good to go with that of the color. So what I have to do, my friend, I have got the turbines there which I have just used. Make sure to lock that so that I cannot be disturbed by bringing sort of, make sure to lock both of these. So now see, I have locked that. Or maybe just unlock these, because I'm going to bring turbines there, wind turbines. Let me delete the previous ones. Go for turbine this time. So we've got the turbine there. Let me put it there in that of the artboard. So we've got that there, my friend. So this time what I have to do, let me make this somewhere, or let me send that somewhere behind the grass. Make sure to click on this, arrange, send it to backward. So I've got the turbine behind that of the grass. So what I have to do, make sure to take the copy of that. Let me select the turbine. Make sure to go for transform, reflect, copy. I've got the copy of that. Make sure to put it there. So now we have got the second turbine too. This time what we have to do, make sure to group that out. So now we have grouped that. See, what we have to do this time, make sure to click on turbines, go for scale. If I click there, the pivot point will come there, and this time make sure to take the copy of that. Make sure to click there, take the copy of that, and this time hold the control or the command button, press D. So now we are having the turbines something like that, and that is maybe looking, that must be looking so much realistic, I think, which you can use for any sort of purpose. So we have got the turbines there. We make sure to just group it there. Click on scale tool, click at the bottom, make sure to take the copy of that and press D button there. So if you can notice something, my friend, the second turbine, that if you can see the turbine that is overlapping the first one, and the second and the third one is overlapping the second one, and the fourth one is overlapping the third one. So we need to be working on it a little more so that it will be looking so much proper and realistic. Let me put the grass there. So this can be disturbing little. So what I have to do, make sure to click on it, right click, arrange, send it to backward. Make sure to click on the third one, arrange, send it to backward. Click on it, send it to backward, and this time click on it, send it to backward, and this time on this, send it to backward, so that it will be looking so much proper and realistic. You can also use arrow keys, my friends, to adjust that. So have a look at this, my friend, how realistic this looks like. So you can work on it and you can change the color any way you want, anything you want, or in any way you are comfortable with that. So you can work on it, my friend. So let's have a look at the second option, my friend, which is share tool. Make sure to take a rectangular tool there, and this time go for share tool. Make sure to click at the top and then move that there. If you can see, it has been moving there. See, it is going there and there. This is something which you can use sometimes. Let me take some of the stars there, apply some sort of color there. Make sure to take the copy of that by holding the Alt and the Shift button there, and hold the Control or the Command and press D button so that you can take more of the copies there. Repeat the same process there. So have a look at this, my friend. I have grouped that. This time go for share tool, and you can move that. See, have a look at this, my friend. You can work on it and you can play with that, and you can enjoy the tool that you have as share tool. So that is what I have taught you in this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. See you in my next tutorial. Till then, bye bye and take care.